ask if there's a lot of, we love your company, your Swedish company called IKEA.
Yeah,
Are they quite prevalent in Sweden, or are there just a few like there are here in America?
they are massive in Sweden.
Okay.
They're about everywhere, and we do a lot of business for IKEA today.
Wow.
So
Well,
Entex is really, we know them more than well.
that's great. So they're are they like our Starbucks where there's one on every corner?
Not that many, but
Oh, okay.
they're in every major city.
That's great. Yeah, I know every time there's always rumors every time a new one's going to pop up, which city it's going to next. So I know a lot of people like to shop there and
Yeah, it's amazing.
even eat there. I know they have great food. So
Yeah, I do shop there too much, I would say, or at least my wife does.
that's
I just
great.
have to pay for it.
Yes. Yes. Well, it looks